Superstars. This is Vibe.
You're probably wondering what's going on here, who is this guy, right? So my name is Eldon. I'm the chairman of the Young Leaders Advisory Council, or YLAC for short, and we're putting on one of the most exclusive events to hit the city. It's called Express Yourself Sounds of Freedom Edition, and it's happening tomorrow, November 30th at 130 George Street. We're gonna have jazz, we're gonna have poets, we're gonna have some of the most exclusive visual art you ever could see. So we wanna make sure that you guys come out and check this out. This is an event for young people, by young people. Anyways, I gotta go. See ya. Jacket.